Hello everyone, my name is Austin from Marine Acura, and today I'll be showing you guys a tutorial on how to use your assist systems in your 2016 Volkswagen Golf GTI. So, in order to access this feature, all you have to do is to make sure you go to the right hand side of the steering wheel. And once we do that, we're gonna go scroll through using the middle buttons on the middle. So let me go zoom in into the speedometer dash center console thing. As we scroll through, since we're going to be talking about assist systems today, we're going to dive into it. So assist systems, and then we're going to toggle through using the up and down buttons right here. And as you can see, you have options for your assist systems, such as lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring system, rear traffic alert, and front assist. So let me go explain what this feature does, just to inform everyone. So lane assist is to keep you on the road or on your lane. So for example, you are in a highway, and as you can see, like when the road curves, the steering wheel will give you mild torque steer, so you can kind of feel that the computer is doing its own thing and it's reading the road ahead of you and keeping you in the center of the lane, keeping you safer. Blind spot monitoring system, of course, it helps you out. So as you can see, this logo is right here, and you have it for both sides of the vehicle. So once there is vehicles, as you can see on the blind spot monitoring, it will light up orange saying that there is a vehicle right there. So just in case if you ever wanted to switch lanes, the car will beep saying that there is a vehicle right there and you cannot switch lanes at that moment. Moving on to the rear traffic alert. So this is more so if you are backing up or in reverse and you don't see that there is a vehicle incoming. If there's a vehicle incoming while you're in reverse, the vehicle will beep saying that, hey, there is a car there, I think you do need to brake. And front assist is to distance yourself in front of the vehicle in front of you, just to make sure that you don't get into an accident with them. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this quick tutorial, you guys. My name is Austin from Marine Acura, and thank you guys for watching.